Next topic is probability distribution of a random variable. How to find probability distribution of a random variable. Listen, suppose there is a random experiment tossing a coin twice or two coins are tossed simultaneously. So what is the sample space? S equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. So these are the possible outcomes when two coins are tossed simultaneously. Now define a random variable x. See here the random variable is number of tails. Okay, number of tails. So this x can be takes value 0. 0 means there is no tails, that is both are head. Then x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means there is a chance of getting only one tail. X equal to 2. Both are tail. So x can take 0, 1, 2. These three values. Okay. So x equal to 0 means getting both are heads. X equal to 1 means number of tails equal to 1 means the outcome is either HT or TH. X equal to 2 means number of tails is equal to 2 means both are T, that is the outcome TT. So we need to find probability of these three variables at x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So listen, x and its probability p of x. X means random variable and p of x is its probability distribution. So here x can takes only three values 0, 1, 2. So when x equal to 0, what is the probability of x or x equal to 0? So x equal to 0 means no tails. Okay, no tails. No tails means both are heads. So favorable case is 1. Total number of outcomes or total number of cases is 4. So P of x is equal to 1 by 4. Now when x equal to 1, what is the probability? So x equal to 1 means one tail. To get one tail. So there are two chances, two favorable cases out of 4. So probability is equal to 1 by 2. Now P of x equal to 2. X equal to means both are tails. So both are tails means only one favorable case out of 4. So P of x equal to 1 by 4. So this is known as random variable and its probability distribution. Okay. See this example. A die is tossed once and we define a random variable as getting an even number. Okay, here the random variable is getting an even number. So when a die is tossed, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so when we toss a die once, either we get an even number or we don't get an even number, that is odd number. So x can takes value 0 and 1. So x equal to 0 means either we get odd number or even number. So let us consider x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means not getting even number, that is getting odd number. So the possible values are 1, 3, 5. Okay. So P of x equal to 0 means P of getting 1, getting 3 or getting 5. So what is the probability? These three are odd numbers. So 3 favorable cases out of total 6 cases. 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Now P of x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means getting an even number. So getting an even number means getting 2 or 4 or 6. So 3 favorable cases out of 6. So probability is 1 by 2. So the probability distribution is for the variable x, P of x can be written as For x equal to 0, listen, here x equal to 0 means getting an even number or odd number. So equal to 0 means not getting even number, that is getting odd number. So probability is 1 by 2. X equal to 1 means getting an even number. So probability of getting an even number is 1 by 2. So this table represents random variable x and its probability distribution p of x. Okay. Let's see another question. See, from a pack of 52 playing cards, we have to select 2 cards. Okay. We have to select 2 cards successively with replacement. So our question is, what is the probability distribution of number of aces? Okay, number of ace cards. So we can define this number of ace cards as our random variable x. So let x be number of ace cards or number of aces. So there are 52, out of 52 cards, 4 suits are there. I already mentioned 4 suits. Each are having 13 cards. 13, 13, 13, 13. One set of 13 cards are in shape spade and other set clubs. Then third one hearts. Then fourth one diamond. Okay. And in these 13 cards 1 to 10 are face cards and 3 are 1 to 10 are number cards and 3 are face cards. Here number 1 card is known as ace card. Okay, so from 52 cards we need to select 2 cards. Okay, so we define the random variable x as number of ace cards obtained in the 2 draws. So we can say that the value of x is 0, 1, 2 because if we select both cards as ace cards, that is the chance of x equal to 2. Okay, if we select both the cards as ace cards, then x is equal to 2. X means number of ace cards is equal to 2. Suppose the selected card, one of the card is ace card and other card is not an ace card. Then x equal to 1. Okay, x means number of ace cards equal to 1. Another possibility is that both the cards selected is not ace cards. So it is other than ace card. So here x equal to 0. So the only possible values of x or number of ace cards equal to 0, 1, 2. Now we need to find their probability function. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So when x equal to 0, means not drawing an ace card. So listen, from 52 cards or out of these 52 cards, we can see that in each suit there are 1 ace card. So total we have 4 ace cards out of these 52 cards. So probability of getting ace card from a pack of 52 card is equal to favorable number by total number. 4 by 52, that is 1 by 13. This is probability of getting an ace card. So what is the probability of not getting an ace card? So its complement, 1 minus 1 by 13. 1 minus 1 by 13 is 12 by 13. So probability of getting ace card is 1 by 13 and probability of getting not an ace card is 12 by 13. See the probability distribution of these random variable x. So the first value is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means no ace card in the first draw and in the second draw. So not getting ace card means the probability is 12 by 30. Okay, both selected cards is not an ace card. So probability is 12 by 13 into 12 by 13. So it is 144 by 169. Now second value is x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means in the first row we get an ace card and in the second row it is not an ace card. That is the meaning of x equal to 1. Okay. Ace card in the first row and no ace card in the second row. So no ace card in the first row means probability is 1 by 13 into 12 by 13 plus second row. No ace card means 12 by 13 into 1 by 13. In this manner we need to write the probability. So this is 12 by 169 plus 12 by 169. It is 24 by 169. Okay. So probability is 24 by 169. Okay. Now third value is x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means in the first row we get an ace card. In the second row it is an ace card. So in the first row means 1 by 13. Second row means 1 by 13. So 1 by 69. So in the case of selecting two cards, one is an ace card, then automatically next in the first row we are drawing twice or tossing or taking cards twice. In the first time we selected two cards. So in the selection first card is ace card and second card is not an ace card. So that's why we put 1 by 13 into 12 by 13. So this is in the first row, first selection. Now in the second row another chance is that first row it is a not ace and in the second selection it is an ace card. Okay. So this is the probability function of the random variable when x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2.